गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय एनबी क्लासेस। आज मैं आपको सैन फ्रांसिस स्कूल का चैप्टर 2 फ्रैक्शन है उसका एक्सरसाइज 2C का वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। पहले क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ देती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं इसका आपको सॉल्यूशन बताती हूँ। द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ए माइक्रोवेव ओवन इज ₹12,600. राजेश पेड 2/3 of the price in cash and the rest in equal monthly installments. Find the amount of the monthly installment. Solution is cost price of a microwave oven is equal to ₹12,600. 2/3 paid in cash is equal to 12,600 का 2/3 करेंगे, that is ₹8,400. Remaining cash have to be paid is equal to 12,600 minus 8,400. The answer is 4,200. Rest price will be 12 equal monthly installments is equal to 4,200 by 12. That is the answer is ₹350. Now come to question number 2. Aftab's monthly salary is ₹25,000. He spends 1/5 of his salary on rent. Of the remaining amount, he spends 1/4 on the education of his children and 1/5 on food. Find Aftab's monthly expenditure and his monthly savings. Solution is monthly salary of Aftab is equal to 25,000. Money spent on rent is equal to 25,000 का 1/5, that is ₹5,000. Remaining salary is equal to 20,000. Money spent on education and food is equal to 1/4 plus 1/5 is equal to 9/20, यानी कि 20,000 का 9/20 करेंगे तो 9,000 आएगा। आफ्ताब्स टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर, टोटल खर्च क्या हुआ उसका 5,000 प्लस 9,000 इज इक्वल टू ₹14,000। आफ्ताब्स मंथली सेविंग 25,000 माइनस 14,000 इज इक्वल टू ₹11,000 उसका सेविंग्स हुआ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, a piece of wire 3/4 meter long was cut into 3 pieces. The first piece was 3/20 meter long, while the length of the second piece was 5/3 of the first. How long was the third piece? The solution is let the third piece be x meter. First piece 3/20 meter given. Second piece 3/20 का 5/3 that is 1/4 meter. अब तीनों को ऐड करेंगे 3/20 प्लस 1/4 प्लस x is equal to 3/4. We should solve this one and the third piece is 7/20 meter. That is the answer. Now the question number 4. John got a prize of ₹75,000 in a TV contest. He paid 1/10 of the prize as the income tax. Out of the remaining, he gave 1/3 to his son, 1/5 to his daughter, 1/10 to the Red Cross Society, and the rest to his wife. What portion of the prize did John's wife get and how much? So the solution is John got a prize of ₹75,000 in a TV contest. He paid 1/10 on income tax, that is ₹75,000 का 1/10 यानी कि ₹7,500. रिमेनिंग अमाउंट कितना हुआ 75,000 माइनस 7,500 that is 67,500. Paid 1/3 to his son is equal to 67,500 का 1/3 that is ₹22,500. Paid 1/5 to his daughter यानी कि 67,500 का 1/5 करेंगे तो 13,500 आएगा। Paid 1/10 to Red Cross Society यानी कि 67,500 का 1/10 करेंगे तो 6,750 निकलेगा। अब रिमेनिंग अमाउंट गिवन टू हिज वाइफ कितना बचेगा ये आप देख रहे हैं। 75,000 माइनस ये जितने भी नंबर्स आए थे सबको माइनस करेंगे। 75,000 माइनस 50,250 इज इक्वल टू 24,750, ये उसकी वाइफ को मिला। अब इसका हमको पोर्शन निकालना है। यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है पोर्शन ऑफ द प्राइस हिज वाइफ गॉट, यानी कि 24,750 डिवाइडेड बाय 75,000 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू 33% बोलिए या फिर 33/100। Now come to word problem. Question number 5. A shopkeeper has a stock of 140 kg of wheat. In the first 4 weeks, he sells 21 by 2 kg, 25 3 by 4 kg, 26 1 by 2 kg and 47 1 by 4 kg of wheat respectively. How much wheat and what portion of the stock does he sell? So the solution is total sale of wheat in 4 weeks. ये सभी को ऐड कर देना है तो आंसर आपका आ जाएगा 120 kg. Portion of the stock he sell 120 by 480 is equal to 6 by 7. That is the answer. Now come to question number 6. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. He gave 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena. What fractions of the packet did he give to Krishna and Meena? What fraction of the packet was left with him? Total number of sketch pens is equal to 20. Fraction of the packet given to Krishna is equal to 12 by 20, that is 3 by 5. Fraction of the packet given to Meena is equal to 6 by 20, that is 3 by 10. Fraction of the packet left with him is equal to 20 minus 12 minus 6 by 20, that is 2 by 20 is equal to 1 by 10. That is the answer. Now come to question number 7. Ajit and Kunal paid 5 by 7 and 2 by 7 of the total cost of a book of comics. If the book cost rupees 84, how much did each of them spend? Solution 7 is money spent by Ajit is equal to 84 का 5 by 7 करेंगे, that is rupees 60. Money spent by Kunal is equal to 84 का 2 by 7 करेंगे, that is rupees 24. Very easy solution it is. Now come to question number 8. Rakesh bought 1 kg of grapes, 1 by 2 kg of mangoes, 1 by 2 kg of apples and 2 kg of oranges. How much fruits in total did he buy? The solution is total fruits bought by Rakesh is equal to सभी को ऐड कर लेंगे और आंसर आ जाएगा 29 by 4, that is 7 1 by 4 kg. Question number 9. A book has 360 pages. Ajay reads 11 by 18 of the book in a week, while Seema reads 7 by 10 of the book in a week. Who reads faster, by what fraction and by how many pages? Solution 9 is number of pages read by Ajay is equal to 360 into 11 by 18, that is 220 pages. Number of pages read by Seema is equal to 360 into 7 by 10, that is 252 pages. Seema reads faster than Ajay by 32 pages. Here it is 252 minus 220. Therefore, fraction is equal to 32 by 360 is equal to 4 by 45. Answer. Last, number 10. Lalit weighs 66 kg. Gauri's weight is 4 by 3rd of Lalit's weight. Find Gauri's weight and the difference between their weights. Solution 10 is weight is equal to 66 kg. Gauri's weight is equal to 66 into 4 by 3, that is 88 kg. Difference between their weights is equal to 88 minus 66, that is 22 kg. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स ये मैथ्स का जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, आपके स्टडीज़ में ज़रूर हेल्प किया होगा. तो प्लीज़ मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि मेरे हर एक अपकमिंग वीडियोस का आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते जाए. और हाँ, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी लिखे आपको कौन से वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में डाउट हो रहा है, मैं उसको बना के सेंड करूँगी. और एक लाइक ज़रूर करें मेरे वीडियो को ताकि मुझे भी आपसे मोटिवेशन मिलते रहे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.